Just kidding, guys. I don't know this. I thought it was really funny. Sorry for cussing and saying that one. It wasn't real. I just did the sound effect. Haha, I didn't say it. I didn't say anything. Sorry for that cussing. If you don't like cussing, sorry, but please subscribe still. I thought that would just be funny, isn't it? I'll just go play it. What's the weirdest thing going on? This can be doing a bunch of... What's going on with this camera thing? What's kind of reaction to a bunch of these? Oh, that's Wombo combo! In a Wombo! I don't know, I think they just said, but sorry about the camera thing. It wasn't working properly. Okay, here's... Wow. Wow, Eddie Wally. If you don't know, he doesn't want to see. Here's WSAA. Why? What you say? Why is there that? Oh, damn, sorry. See that one? That one I'm gonna do. Sorry, it's bad. See? What you say? I know it was made by Indians.
Oh, baby, it's triple.
That's a famous thing.
Yeah.
That's pretty weird at the same time. Sanic. Sanic. That's what it's called. Sanic. I know it's pretty weird. Okay. Cena.